Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Adjust Facial Features command lets you change the appearance of a person's lips, eyes, nose, and face within an image where Photoshop elements can recognize a face. Pictures where the person's face is partially obscured will often not work with this command, as Elements is unable to recognize that a face exists within the photo. To use this feature, select Enhance, Adjust Facial Features from the menu bar. If Photoshop Elements recognizes a face in the photo, it will show it within a circle. If there are many faces in the photo, the faces it recognizes will be circled, and the circle in teal is the currently selected face. You can click another circle in the same photo to switch which face you edit. Use the sliders at the right side of the Adjust Facial Features dialog box to adjust the currently selected face. You can click the lips, eyes, nose, and face categories to see the sliders in each category. Click and drag the desired sliders left or right to increase or decrease the associated attribute for the category you selected. For example, you can click the nose category and then use the height and width sliders to increase or decrease the height and width of the nose on the selected face. You can click the Before and After toggle button at the bottom of the window to toggle between the before and after views of the photo. You can click the Reset button at the bottom of the dialog box to reset any changes you have made. When you are happy with the changes you have made, you can click the OK button to apply them.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.